signature color sets you free. It's not about the price tag, it's how you feel inside.
Today we're exploring a secret weapon used by celebrity stylists that's poised to revolutionize your wardrobe. Contrary to popular belief, it's not about investing in expensive designer clothes. It's about discovering your signature color. Finding your perfect color can enhance your appearance, making you look more youthful, slim, and confident in an instant. The most remarkable aspect? This technique is universally applicable. Now, you may wonder how to identify your signature color. We've prepared 3 straightforward steps that will transform your appearance by the end of this video. Step 1. The vein test. Examine the veins on your wrist. Green veins indicate a warm tone. Blue or purple veins suggest a cool tone. If you see both, you have a neutral tone. Step 2. The clothing test. Hold various colored fabrics near your face. The colors that enhance your complexion and make your eyes more vibrant are your power colors. Step 3. The emotion test. Identify which colors instill confidence and energy in you. These are potential signature colors that align with your personality. Now, let's delve into how to leverage your signature color effectively. Celebrity stylist hack number 1. The 60-30-10 rule. Utilize your signature color for 60% of your outfit, a complementary color for 30%, and an accent color for 10%. Celebrity stylist hack number 2. The power accessory. Always incorporate one statement piece in your signature color. This could be a handbag, footwear, or a striking piece of jewelry. It's important to note that your signature color's application extends beyond your wardrobe. Consider incorporating it into your home decor, social media aesthetic, and even your business branding. We understand you might be concerned about the longevity of this approach, given that styles evolve. Rest assured, your signature color can adapt with you. The focus should be on what makes you feel exceptional in the present moment. Are you prepared to harness the power of your signature color? We assure you, once you begin implementing this strategy, your perception of your wardrobe will be permanently altered. If you find this information valuable, we encourage you to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more style insights. We also invite you to share your signature color in the comments section. Let's create a vibrant community of color enthusiasts. Remember, fashion is a medium for self-expression and enjoyment. We encourage you to embrace your world with your signature hue.
Color me confident, color me you. Your signature shade will